If you try to start your car and this happens, you'll be glad you have a jump starter that's powerful and easy to use. Today, we'll be taking a quick look at the Lokithor J401X jump starter. Before using the jump starter, we'll run a quick test on the car's battery. And it says health 1%, charge 0%, and 11.82 volts. To use it, simply hook it up to the battery, hit the power button, and start your car. The jump starter also features an easy to see and read screen with an emergency light that has 3 different modes. And the last is SOS. Finally, it doubles as a power station with a USB-C in-out, a DC in, and a USB port. I hope you enjoyed this brief review video of the J401X jump starter from Lokithor. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.